podcast with topic Division of Power. My name is JESICHA KIRANA and I'm from the IUP class.
Hi everyone, my name is PUTRI VIDYANTHI MARBUN, you can call me Putri, and I'm from IUP Law 2020.
Hello, I'm RUBELLA ABIGAIL HALOHO. I'm from IUP Law 2020.
What is division of power? Division of power are the division of power system of each institution into sections legislative, executive, and judiciary. These concepts allows for interagency coordination, and the division of power is usually carried out by the state, which adopts a parliamentary system. It is a separation of government function. The head of state is usually headed by the king, while a head of government is parliament.
So right now, I'm gonna tell you about the history of division of power. So it started with antiquity. Aristotle first mentioned the idea of mixed government or hybrid government in his work Politics, where he drew upon many of the constitutional forms in the city-states of ancient Greece. In the Roman Republic, the Roman Senate, consuls, and the assembly showed an example of a mixed government according to Polybius, and then moved forward into early modern mixed government. It was first mentioned by John Calvin, and this system favored a system of government that divided political power between democracy and aristocracy or mixed government. Calvin also suggested setting up several political institutions that should complement and control each other in a system of checks and balances. In 1620, a group of English separatists, Congregationalists, and Anglicans, later known as the Pilgrim Fathers, founded Plymouth Colony in North America. Enjoying self-rule, they established a bipartisan democratic system of government. The freemen elected the General Court, which functioned as legislature and judiciary. So the form of the government in the colonies was well known in the mother country, including to the philosopher John Locke. He deduced from a study of the English constitutional system the advantages of dividing political power into the legislative, or which should be distributed among several bodies. During the English Civil War, the parliamentarians viewed the English system of government as composed of three branches: the King, the House of Lords, and the House of Commons, where the first should have executive powers only and the latter do legislative powers. The system comprised a legislative branch, or the Parliament, and two executive branches, the English Council of State and the Lord Protector. A further development in English thought was the idea that the judicial power should be separated from the executive branch. This followed the use of judicial system by the Crown to prosecute opposition leaders, following the restorations and late years of Charles II and during the short reign of James II, and this called three-party system. So then moved towards into the most famous idea by Montesquieu. The term three-party system is commonly ascribed to French Enlightenment political philosopher Baron de Montesquieu. Montesquieu described the various forms of distributions of political power among a legislature, an executive, and a judiciary. Montesquieu took the view that the Roman Republic had powers separated so that no one could usurp complete power. He also argued that there would be an end of everything were the same man or the same body, whether of the nobles or of the people, to exercise those three powers: that of enacting laws, that of executing the public resolutions, and of trying the causes of individuals. Last but not least, check and balances. The principle of checks and balances is that each branch has power to limit or check the other two, which creates a balance between the three divided branches of the state. This principle induces one branch to prevent either of the other branches from becoming supreme, thereby securing political liberty. Immanuel Kant was an advocate of this. Checks and balances are designed to maintain the system of divisions of powers, keeping each branch in its place.
After we already know about the meaning of division of power and the history of division of power, now I want to tell you guys about the purpose of division of power. So the first one is to prevent abuse of power, and the second one is to prevent arbitrary action, the third one is to creating public interest for the people, and the fourth is to simplify and optimize the performance of government agency, and the last one is to synergize the function of power. So that's all from our material about division of power. Thank you guys for your watching, and don't forget to like our video. Have a nice day.